All of this amazing footage can be easily created with our revolutionary motion control system. Please meet HyperDolly.
Hi, my name is Andrei. I am a filmmaker and creator of HyperDolly. My story began when the idea to shoot a hyperlapse around the car crossed my mind. So I took a piece of chalk and drew a circular path on the asphalt around the car I was going to shoot. I moved my camera on the tripod along this line at a certain time interval. Unfortunately, this is what I got in the end. After several unsuccessful attempts, I realized I need a special device for this job, something like a motorized dolly.
The primary prototype was made and it worked as I expected. I shot a car video entirely from hyperlapses and it went viral on Instagram, because nothing like that existed before.
A lot of people asked me to build such a dolly for them. At that moment, I realized that this kind of system has a huge potential and it will be cool to share this technology with the people.
Whether you want to shoot a car commercial that will stand out, or add flavor to event video, or produce stock footage that differs from the rest, now you have a tool to do that. Unlike a traditional slider, HyperDolly has unlimited path length, and you can set an arc path allowing you to create more interactive and mesmerizing shots. After all, linear time-lapses are dime a dozen today.
We developed HyperDolly having the needs of professionals in mind. It was designed for simple and quick operations, so HyperDolly is perfect for small crews or even one-man bands.
To shoot a hyperlapse, all you need is to set the radius of the arc path, connect the camera and set the parameters using user-friendly interface. HyperDolly will do the rest. Low angle is great, but if you need a higher shooting point, HyperDolly is compatible with a great variety of tripods. Large wheels let you use HyperDolly not solely in the studios where the flooring is smooth, but also on imperfect surfaces.
We designed HyperDolly for hyperlapse shootings, but it can be used for regular videography too.
It features smooth running, silent motor, low speed operation, and if you are filming interviews, there's also loop mode. In a large number of cases you shoot on a flat or nearly flat surfaces, so HyperDolly can be a great alternative to a slider. It's compact and easy to use, so you don't need to waste time on setting up a system on 2 tripods.
We've been developing HyperDolly for almost a year, improving it every day. Finally, we are ready to start the production. HyperDolly provides you a completely new way of capturing hyperlapses that will add production value to your work. You have a chance to be one of the first to take advantage of it. Support our project today and you'll get a device that will let you capture time like never before.
use the dedicated handle controller. It is a very common way to let the Rover move along the preset path by itself. You can set the path by dropping key points. You can manually draw out the entire path line or even push the dolly directly to make a path and save it. All the preset paths or the paths that were ever used can be saved as templates, which can be called out for reuse next time. Rover supports 3 different framing modes: lock mode, follow mode, and object locking mode. With a moving speed of up to 8 meters per second, Rover is competent for most outdoor high-speed follow-up shots.
Nowadays, there are many ways to carry out stable mobile shooting. Dolly tracks for steady cams. Of course, they all have their pros and cons. Dolly tracks, for example, take hours to set up and they take at least 3 people, which makes your labor cost high. Steady cams, on the other hand, less, because it takes 1 person, but you need to have an experienced person operating it. It's super heavy. We have solution to all of those. Say hello to the future stable mobile shooting, the Rover. Rover significantly increases the working efficiency, saves your time and money, and helps achieve the best effect.
The arms are made of high-strength carbon fiber, which is light and durable. The key parts, such as the joint of the arms and engine shell, are made of high-quality aluminum alloy to effectively ensure long-lasting, reliable operation. Rover adopts a separate battery compartment design and uses replaceable lithium batteries.
Have you ever imagined a slider can be not just a slider? YC Onion Chips 3 has a completely new attachable mechanical design, making it can be a slider or a dolly. Aluminum alloy made rail, Harry gear up holders, multiple power supply methods, super easy app control, and attachable design. Chips 3 inherits all the charming points of previous YC Onion motorized slider. The coolest feature of Chips 3 motorized slider dolly is it can integrate with DJI, Zhiyun, and Feiyu gimbal. To create 5-axis interlink motion control system enables you to capture incredible shots. Remember that interlink with DJI, Zhiyun, and Feiyu gimbal is YC Onion only feature that no other system in the market lets you do. Touchscreen is one of the innovative points of Chips 3 slider dolly. Compared to traditional physical button, touchscreen makes Chips 3 more functional and attractive. You can easily set points and adjust the parameters on the module. The weight capacity of the module is also quite impressive. The capacity of moving 20 kilograms horizontally gives you enough leeway to use even with cinema cameras. Follow focus and motorized pan tilt head are also part of the YC Onion slider gimbal ecosystem. Pairing with DJI, Zhiyun, and Feiyu gimbal. Adding follow focus and motorized pan tilt head. Chips 3 motorized slider dolly enables you to create silky smooth 5-axis motion in a variety of filming scenarios at any angles. YC Onion app features a simple interface that enables you to program gimbals on all your YC Onion devices. App integration gives you full control remotely and the ability to create keyframes easily. All devices perform precise movements as you programmed. Even though Chips 3 motorized slider already equipped with functions that we look for from a motorized slider, it tries to distinguish itself with more outstanding features. Add a joint, attach together, mount a tripod, Then chip sliders transform into a motorized dolly. Chips 3 Dolly supports manual point setting. You can just move the dolly to the starting point and then confirm it on app. And of course, you can easily control the dolly via YC Onion app or touchscreen on the module itself. Chips 3 Motorized Slider Dolly allows you to capture incredible footage by creating linear and curved movements on the flat space, perfect for interviews and motion time-lapses in urban settings. No matter you are a professional team or a one-man band, Chips 3 Motorized Slider Dolly allows you to create unique, imaginative contents impressing your audience as you wish, anytime, any place.
Every filmmaker's dream is to bring their creative vision to life with meaningful stories that will leave a lasting impact on their audience. Using talent and technology, they yearn to turn their vision into reality, to touch many hearts. What if there was a powerful, easy-to-use cinematic tool that would free you from the constraints of production time and budget? The company specializing in creating premium professional camera stabilizers and accessories, Gudson Technology, introduces the new MOZA Slypod Pro, a compact, lightweight pod that allows you to get those once impossible shots from any angle. Slypod Pro is an essential tool for all filmmakers to achieve precise and stable shots anywhere. It's more than a monopod, automatically extending to impressive lengths using a mobile app for wireless control. It horizontal tilts up to 60 degrees with a tripod stand, creating incredibly steady and flexible shots. It's more than a slider, easy and effortless to pack up and quick to set up within minutes. Its compact size gets you into even the most narrow of spaces for those hard-to-reach shots with ease. It is more than a jib arm, with a gimbal and other gears to compose shots with dramatic perspective without using a drone. Slypod Pro is made from lightweight carbon fiber, solid and weatherproof, stable and sturdy. It's ideal for both indoor and outdoor shots. Whether you're a cinematic filmmaker or a product creator, or even if you're a vlogger, we know that you will enjoy the Slypod Pro as much as you enjoy filmmaking.